morning.
So my name is Linda Hedquist, and I am in Iowa. I'm 76 years old. I have been in the bodywork field for quite some time. I have been able to keep myself in really fairly good shape most of my life, but interestingly enough, this fall, just before the Solvents and Glue Zoom course that I participated in, I developed a little glitch in my hip that nothing that I knew to do was getting at. And I was just so impressed because after the first day of class, it was just gone. It just woke up my hip in the most amazing way. It just found its way. The solvents and glue just found its way into however to unwind that little glitch. After the class, I had a surgery. I had to undergo a surgery, and the nature of the surgery was such that my movement was very restricted for a couple of months, and I wasn't allowed to do my normal stretching. I wasn't allowed to do my normal exercise, and I could feel my body, starting to tighten up, with that. But I could do the solvents and glue. It's such a practical system because so much of it is done standing. Even just a few minutes in the morning while the tea water is warming up, while the tea is steeping, and I can just do it in my kitchen, this whole exploration of my body. And then I go through my day, and I can tell that as I'm doing it a little bit every day, I could do it, and I could do it comfortably. The movements were within what the surgeon allowed me to do, and they were comfortable, and it kept me pain-free. I am going to be forever grateful for that, because I do not know how I would have navigated that situation without these tools. In that course, Jeremy lays out really a lifetime of exploration. There is so much that he teaches you, all of these different ways that you can explore your body, and those ways, there's endless variations of them that you can do, and so it's never boring. I found Jeremy to be a very clear teacher and a very generous teacher. I felt that there was no holding back, that he had done this enormous amount of research in his life, that it just came across how much research he had done, and that he was really giving his all to the class. He was very generous with his explanations when people had questions, and the way that he presented the material, he presented it in a very orderly way, very systematically, very orderly, which I appreciated a lot. I would actually recommend this class to almost anyone, certainly anyone who's in the healthcare field and wants to maintain their own quality of movement and comfort in their body. It's a way of getting to know your body that it's easy, it fits into your day, and it has very profound implications for what you can do to keep yourself well. He's really given a gift to the world with this work, and I'm excited that it's out there. It was very exciting for me to take his course.